Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crocheted bikini designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very amazing designs shown to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, if you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. And you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such designs. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave me good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.